right now.
What's up, everybody? It's KB Elder Project. I'm Brandon Vanderpool. Kevin's behind the camera.
Hi.
We already got started because we're getting late for work, but we're replacing my e-brake handle today. I got a carbon fiber handle with a red button we're putting on it. So we've already got I don't know where I put it. We already got the old handle off. Gotta break that adhesive.
Oh, there it is.
There.
So they said to use like heat for this, but actually we just like manhandled it off. And then we used the vice grips to kind of grab the tip of that silver button there and just rotate it off.
Maybe we should have put this on before we took the button off.
How's that fitment, Brandon? Oh geez.
It went on when I had the button on. Say that.
Does the button need to go on first? No, the button will go on last.
No, that button will go on last. This one might have to go on just a little bit to get it over. It just went on too. What the hell? Well, we're gonna be late for work.
Who cares?
I got bright lights in the car, so we can film and brake too. Maybe let's pump it.
Brake hype. Oh. Let's try to potluck.
Oh, freaking
You should. Well, let's see that orientation. It looks like so. The other one was sitting like this.
yeah.
Yeah. So it looks like the orientation of this would be the same.
That's what I thought.
But
Here, I got an idea.
you're gonna try and squeeze those a little bit tighter together.
There you go.
Sorry.
Try that.
I'm trying to watch where I'm filming.
There we go. There we go.
There you go. You kind of got to squeeze the tip of that on there a little bit.
Squeeze the tip.
Squeeze the tip. Squeeze the tip, boys.
Like the fastest video ever.
Oh. Let's see that button real quick. Hold on. Look here, it's bringing me late anyway, right? Oh, that's got some heft. It's like metal and everything. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, yeah, that's a big upgrade.
That.
Yeah, no crap.
How was it?
22.
It was 20.
Your clock's fast?
Yeah. 2 minutes. Okay.
You got your little pieces you got to install. Little set screws.
Yep.
So, did the handle come supplied with a little Allen key then?
Yep.
Oh, that's super nice.
I was hoping it did. So, where's the other two?
Oh no!
Well, don't do that.
Oh no! How many does this have? 3?
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure 2 will work just fine.
Oh no, we gotta find that.
I can find it. I mean, you can go in and clock us in.
Okay, go and clock us in real quick, yeah.
One day we won't have to come in here, though.
Hopefully.
Okay. So, we might have to find it later.
Yeah, we might have to find it later. But yeah, pretty much so. There's just one on this side, one here, and one here. Yeah.
Yep. This one's identical as that one, so.
And then that boot can just slide right over that first lip here. Probably a pain in the butt.
Yep, a little bit.
But there it is.
There we go.
Pretty sweet.
There we go. I like that.
It works. All right.
Yeah. Now we gotta go to work.
All right. Well,
It's a one-take video.
and that's how you install a brake handle with a button in 5 minutes or less. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button. We'll see you guys in the next video.